Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 with any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10, just select your language. Now on your iPhone, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just select Allow and tap on Start. Now from here, just select Grant the mandatory permissions, then select Agree. Now just tap on Region and from here, just select your region. Now once you select your region, just tap on Next. Now to connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your iPhone, just select Devices and from here, just tap on Add Device. Now just tap on OK and from here, just enter your email. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email. Now after you enter the password of your email, now at the bottom of the page, just select I have read and agreed to the user agreement. Then tap on Sign In. Now just select Allow and tap on Allow while using the app and tap on OK. Now once you do that, just tap on Add Device and from here you will find the name of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Just tap on it. Now on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10, just tap on Done. Now on your iPhone, just select Pair. Then tap on Allow. From here, just select Resume. Now just select Allow Full Access. Then tap on Resume. Now just tap on Next. And tap on Done. Now as you can see, this is how you can connect the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.